Hey, my name is Chris.Buystedt. I'm out here on a pretty rainy day at Guaranty RV in Junction City. But I'll tell you, it's a really awesome time to show you some of the things that we can help you out with here at Guaranty. And specifically, take a look at this brand new Chevy Silverado. It's a quad cab 2018, beautiful truck, inside and out. You got plenty of room for the whole family. What I really love about this is that you've got the extra console there that can flip up, so you've got room for an extra person. You can fit 6 people in here. And what's really fantastic is the backup camera. I just used it to back up to this beautiful North Trail trailer that I'm going to show you as well. And I just wanted to demonstrate the fact that at Guaranty, we can help you match up your truck and trailer. We can sell you both. You'll get a special great deal on it, and you'll notice how you can even, when you find the trailer that you want, and the beautiful colors that are in the graphics on the trailer, you can match it to your truck, which is pretty special. So I also want to show you our North Trail. We're going to take a look at it. It's the 27 RBDS. One of my favorite trailers. You're going to really love this floor plan, and especially love it with this beautiful truck pulling it. So here we are inside this beautiful North Trail trailer. I'm telling you what, this is a perfect couples trailer and you can have some extra storage for some extra people sleeping as well. But one of the things I love about this one is that it's got a double slide out. One big, huge slide out over here on the right, and the kitchen is also on a slide out, which gives you all that extra room for this beautiful island. What's really fantastic is that you can be back here cooking, making sandwiches, doing everything that you need to do, and people can still have access to move around the trailer without having to get you to move out of the way when you're busy trying to get dinner ready and everything ready for the fam. So taking a look in the kitchen, you've got a really nice fridge, freezer set up right here, some additional storage up top. You've got your microwave, 3-burner cook stove and oven. And I really love the fact that the sink is here. Like literally, you don't even have to move to be doing everything that you want to do in the kitchen. It's all right here. Beautiful drop lights, these little pendant lights that hang down and light everything up. Lots of counter space in this coach. It's really nice. Notice that the cabinets have really neat hardware. There's lots of space. The drawers are solid wood on metal rails. And look at how big this pantry is. All kinds of storage and space for food. You can load this thing up. You can be gone for a week without having to stop at the grocery store, which is fantastic. This one has a rear bath. There's a skylight in above the shower. It's got lots of room. And if you notice off to the left, there's a ton of storage, which is a great if you have towels and different toiletries and things that you need to keep in here. You've got all that extra storage in the bathroom, along with a good medicine cabinet. One of the things that I really love is you've got a nice dinette. And all of that big window that you can look out. You can see it's got a nice shade in it. You've got a nice place here also to watch TV and to have a comfortable place. This also, both of these units fold down to give you extra seating. I really love the fact that the TV is set up where it can flip and you can see it in the bedroom. So it's dual purpose. Whole entertainment system for you. And then taking a look at this nice private residential queen size bed. Walk around, you've got a place for all of your plug-ins in your CPAP machines. Very deep wardrobes inside of here. If you take a look at the space that you have, you've got a lot of space to put your clothes and your items. You can even fit duffel bags inside these compartments. And you've got all this additional space down here as well. So a lot of storage space. It's a very practical trailer and very spacious. One of the things I really love about the North Trail is the solid step. If you notice, there's no bounce to it, so if you have some mobility issues, having a solid step that you can get in and out of can be a real blessing to you. This trailer also has an outdoor party center. So you've got everything that you need to do some outdoor cooking. You got your fridge and your sink, a light, there's a hookup for a TV. We also have a big beautiful power awning, and you've got speakers on the outside. So you can extend the usable space of this trailer. You know, you can almost double it with the awning pulled, and you can have all your lawn chairs and tables out here. It's a really fun trailer. And if you notice, you even have this rack that you can use for bikes, generators. Really makes it versatile. This is a great trailer pulled by a beautiful truck. We can help you get into the right truck and the right trailer that has the look and everything that you're going for. One of the things I also wanted to let you know about that truck is that it's got a backup camera, so it's super easy just to back right up and take off. Everything that you would need right here at Guaranty. I would love to show you more options for trucks and trailers, and so if you could give me a call. My name is Chris.Buystedt. My number is 541-636-7878. Look forward to seeing you.